Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I wanted to share with you an awesome promotion that Home Depot is currently running until July 17th. For 99 bucks, you can pick up two 4-amp batteries and also get a free tool. So behind me I have a few tools already in my collection that you could choose from as part of this promotion. So for 99 bucks, you get two 4-amp batteries and a choice of a SawZall, or an impact drill, or a multi-tool, or a 4.5 angle grinder, or a 5.5 circular saw, or a jigsaw, or a power inflator if you need to blow up your bicycle tires. I needed a hedge trimmer, so one of the choices was the Ryobi hedge trimmer. Now this tool alone is just $99, and I was able to find it on Amazon for $75. But with the promotion Home Depot is currently running, for $99 I also get two 4-amp batteries. I highly suggest you take advantage of this until July 17th. My next video I will be doing the unboxing of the hedge trimmer. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, comment below. I'm the Ryobi guy. See you on the next one. For 99 bucks, you get two 4-amp batteries and a choice of a circular saw, but that's not a circular saw. Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to ring that bell. So for 99 bucks, you get two 4-amp batteries and a choice of a SawZall, or an impact drill, or a multi-tool, or a 4.5 angle grinder, or a 5.5 circular saw, or the jigsaw, or a power inflator if you need to blow up your basketball tires. Basketball tires? Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And you're on that one. Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I encourage you to not listen to this video. Hello everyone, Ryobi guy here. They're bringing in the cavalry for me. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, as you never know what bloopers and outtakes you might see on my next video. Until then, have a great one.